Hi, do you have a table for two?
Yes, we have a table by the window.
Thank you. Can we sit there?
Of course. Please follow me.
Could I see the menu, please?
Sure. Here is the menu.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
Is the chicken spicy?
No, but we can make it spicy if you want.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water.
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Got it. I'll bring it with your meal.
Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Yes, we have vegetable pasta and a garden salad.
I'll take the vegetable pasta.
Good choice. Would you like cheese on it?
Yes, please. A little cheese?
Sure. I'll make a note of that.
How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Thank you. I'll bring your water first.
Excuse me, could I have some bread?
Of course. I'll bring some right away.
Thank you. Could I also have a napkin?
Absolutely. Here you are.
This place smells wonderful.
I'm glad you like it. Your food will be ready soon.
Can I get some extra sauce?
Sure. Which sauce would you like?
Tomato sauce, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it with your meal.
Can I change my drink?
Of course. What would you like instead?
I'd like an orange juice instead.
Sure. I'll replace it.
Excuse me, is this my order?
Yes. The vegetable pasta is yours.
It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Could I have a fork, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Could I get the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please tap it here.
Thank you. Everything was great.
I'm happy you enjoyed your meal.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you for coming.
Goodbye, Daniel. See you next time.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you next time.